Welcome to this guide on installing the Arnott air suspension compressor for the Mercedes-Benz R-Class W251 with four-corner leveling. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance, so let's walk through the steps to ensure a successful setup. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead, then lift the vehicle and remove the front right wheel. Next, remove the fasteners and the front inner wheel well liner from the vehicle to expose the vehicle's air suspension compressor. Now locate and disconnect the two electrical connectors from the compressor. Also locate and slowly remove the air line from the compressor. Now remove the air line fitting from the air hose and discard it. Next, locate the larger rubber hose leading to the compressor. Pinch and slide the hose clamp off of the air fitting and remove the air hose. Locate and remove the three mounting nuts to remove the compressor from the vehicle. The removal is now complete. Do not remove the air fitting from the air suspension compressor. Doing so may cause damage and void warranty. Remove the white shipping pin from the new air fitting and insert the air line until fully seated. The installation is in the reverse order of the air compressor removal. Tighten all nuts and bolts to manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Start by installing the old factory isolators onto the compressor. Now install the saved factory mounts onto the compressor. Also, install the compressor into the vehicle and reinstall the three mounting nuts. Next, reinstall the large rubber air hose onto the compressor. Remove the black shipping pin and reinstall the air line. Also reinstall the two electrical connectors. Now reinstall the wheel well liner and the wheel. Lastly, lower the vehicle and the installation is complete. Inspect the air springs for any type of cracks or excessive wear. Leaking air springs will cause the compressor to overheat from continuous operation. Thank you for following our guide on replacing a Mercedes-Benz R-Class compressor with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.